What is up, YouTube? AVI back with another video. We have the Hyundai Dolores back on the channel. Jess actually doesn't know we're doing this, but as you can see, Jess's passenger side headlight bulb is out, and the driver's side is working fine. So what we did is we bought a bulb here, and we are going to just show you guys how to swap it out. This is pretty standard across a lot of cars, so even if you don't have a Hyundai and you're looking to change your bulb, this video might be useful for you guys as well. So the first thing you gotta do is pop open the hood. All right, so you popped open the hood. You actually don't need to take the headlight off for this particular car. I know a lot of people think, oh my God, to change the bulb, you gotta take the headlight out, and you don't have to do that. What you're gonna do is reach in here, and you're gonna see this black plastic piece here, and you're actually just gonna turn it that way. I'm assuming it's towards you on that side too, and it should just pop right off just like that. Put that on the engine bay cover, and now you're going to see all of these wires into a black housing right here. This you can just simply pull, and you're going to say, oh crap, the bulb is still in there. It is, but there's an easy way to get it out. There's actually a little clip here that you're going to try to press. Looks just like a paper clip, and what you're going to do is push it in and dislodge it from that housing right there. I don't know if it's a little bit difficult to see, but that housing, you can actually access the bulb. Yeah, like that. Perfect. All right, so there's the bulb, and we're gonna compare, and good. They look to be the same.
Let's see the damage if we can. Is there any damage to that? Guess not.
I don't know, but it was out. You guys saw it, so we're gonna replace it and see if she even notices. First thing they also tell you is try not to touch the lens, the outside of the lens, because you have oils on your fingers and dirt, so try not to. Now what you're going to do is try to put it back into the housing. And definitely do this with your engine off.
Does that thing move?
Because that belt moves, so you can get your hand stuck in there. So it's a little bit difficult to get this in. The first time we tried it, the clips were actually in the way of the bulb, but see now this bulb is flush with the housing, and that's how you'll know, and the two little prongs on the very bottom actually go on the bottom. So now we're going to do is try to clip this thing back in by holding it in place. The clips come down like so, and I can see it, but I can't get to it. There it is. Gotta use the other hand. Push that down. There we go. The paper clip thing is into its little hook there, and now we're gonna plug this baby back in. I hope it turns on. There we go. Now it's plugged in. We also have to put this back on, but I'm not gonna put that back on until we test it and make sure it works. So let's start her up. Yeah, we did it. Yeah, if AVI is your favorite mechanic channel, make sure to subscribe, smash the like button, and yeah, we got lots of cool stuff coming for you this summer, and just like that, AVI out.